Look at the boys. Hey, yeah. Look at these boys, baby. Woo! What's going on, guys? So today we're on another paddle here. We're doing the Birch River. We just launched in Medika, just at the bridge over there, and we're going all the way to Juneau, a bridge in Juneau, and looks like it's gonna probably be about a 15 kilometer, 20 kilometer paddle. So I'm here with my buddy Andrew, Andre, and Dallas. Make sure you guys water safety, wear your life jackets. Everybody wear your life jackets, and always keep safety in mind, guys. Baby, you gotta stay in the middle of that bad boy. Woo. First rapid of the day here, boys. We'll see how the other guys, if they decide to go over it, if they're gonna make it through here or not. All right, it looks like Dallas and Orange are going up first. Stay in the middle of it, and you guys gotta paddle fast. All right, let's see how they do here. Hard, 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 hard. Hey. There it is, baby. There it is. That's what I'm talking about, boys. First rapids of the day. All right, we'll see how Andrew makes out here. Just remember, guys, also, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you guys are ever gonna do this, make sure you guys do kind of know what you're doing, and always make sure you're wearing your life jacket. I got mine on. My buddies all got theirs on, so I wouldn't do it if you guys don't have a life jacket on there. Stay in the middle. See how oh, there he goes, boys. Woo! The boys survived the first rapids. Let's go, boys. There it is. Now the water is nice. How you doing up there, boys? Oh, there was a rock there.
There's no way you can ever see that.
No, there's a lot of rocks on here you can't see. They're just barely poking out. If you guys are gonna paddle the Birch River here, make sure you guys watch out. There is quite a few rocks poking out that are hidden. You guys can't really see, and you will hit them, so just make sure you guys are watching out where you guys are going. The water's starting to come down, so you might have a chance at seeing them in a couple weeks or so, but right now you can just barely see the tops of them, so keep that in mind when you guys are out here. Here it comes, boys. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, you definitely want that side, because everywhere else there's rocks. Take her through right there. There you go, battling it. Oh, easy going, boys. Nicely done, nicely done. All right, Andrew. Paddle hard. There you go, buddy. You got it. You got it. Nicely done, buddy. Nicely done. We're about almost 10 kilometers in so far. It's been a pretty good paddle. Nice overcast, so it's definitely cooling us down a bit. Hey, how'd you boys feel? How'd you boys feel about that? Woo! Gets the heart going. Gets heart. It's rolling, buddy. Speak up.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Life jackets always.
Life jackets always.
Have a good time.
Have a good time. All right, so we came to a little roadblock here. We're gonna have to get out and get on the rocks and go around here. Do a little portage almost. Trees are all damming up the area here, so have to just go around here. Nice. Alright. Right on. Another good thing to keep on hand is a dry bag for your kayak or canoe, just to try and keep everything dry if you do end up going over. On mine, I just clip it in the back here like this. Keep it in the back, and then I got a little carabiner here. Just clip it to the bungee. It's a locking one, and then lock it up, and that's good to go. That's not going anywhere in case tip over, car keys, phone, wallet, extra change of clothes, towel, whatever you decide to put in it. It's always just a good idea to have a little bit more on hand for whatever the case may be. Here's where the party is. Hey, what's going on, boys? You ever seen a kayak before? Oh yeah. I'll go right here. I'll go through the waves. Oh, there's some rocks there, boys. Woo! A little rocky. Oh boy. Oh, there's rocks in here like crazy. Oh man. Oh. All right. Nice. All right, guys. So we're about 18 kilometers in. We're on the Birch River right now. This is where the Whitemouth River meets the Birch River. So now we're on the Whitemouth River. We got maybe about 5 kilometers more upstream here, or downstream, sorry, and that's about it. Yeah, it's been a pretty good paddle so far. Seen lots of eagles. There's one flying up there right now. A lot of rocks on this on the river here, guys. Like, you could barely see them. It's just that perfect time where the water's at the right level, just at the tip of the rocks, making it really, really hard to see them. So if you guys are gonna come, I definitely check that out. Make sure you guys are staying on top of it and watching. And a lot of trees that are down, but you can maneuver around them pretty good. But yeah, all in all, it's been a pretty good paddle, other than just making sure you're watching out for all the rocks sticking out. Alrighty guys, we're just finishing up the paddle here. We're looking at 22.6 kilometers. So it's been a pretty good paddle. Took us 3 hours 45 minutes here with a couple little stops. So not terrible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.